Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Lautie Muyi collaboration Bishop here with me for a review, and we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this fantastic toy. But hey, don't forget to like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content right over here. So classic Lautie box. You've got check out my EDC envelope, which contains all the goodies needed to enjoy fully your toy, which are some stickers, extra set of bearing, you've got the Lautie hammer, you've got more stickers coming, and of course you have the key to take this guy, like the tool, to take this guy apart. And of course you've got your toy right over here, and you've got the box which contains the serial number, and you can see that these are 99 made, and that's the number 67, and this is in particular the nickel and copper version of the toy. So there's of course stainless steel and brass, and of course there's the reverse configuration of this guy. So this is like the white pieces, and the other one would be copper for the base and the head, and nickel for the stem, which you can mix and match to create like a fully white and fully black, let's say, pieces for your chessboard. So this is the bishop, and there's also like a pawn, which is this little guy right over here in the chess lineup. Let me see if I can balance this guy out. And of course you've got also a rook. So here you see the whole Lautie chess family so far, and if you're just feeling you know, to get some tray for these guys, Lautie also and Muyi are doing this wooden tray, which is just fantastic, with the like a metal base, where you're gonna be able basically to put these guys like that and have them spinning on your desk for a quite long time, because these guys are spinning for a long time. It's really well made. I mean, check this out. Like, the machining on this guy is just fantastic. I don't know which material is this ball, but I would bet that that's a polished zirc ball, which is just a fantastic thing. The machining is just incredible for that. Of course, like, this guy comes apart, so you can take this guy out like that. Not the ball, that's probably glued in. I don't think you can remove it. But this top part here doesn't spin. Like, for example, you see the rook over here, it just spins the top and the bottom. So this is not. You've got your copper stem, which is very nicely done, and you've got your nickel base, of course, spinning, Lautie Muyi logo on the back. You can also disassemble completely this toy like that, and you have this weight, which is hiding the specs of the toy. So you can see, maybe like here, that's a copper, and 67 of 99 pieces made, so you know that this is not a fake, because that has to match with the box. Here you've got your bearing, and you have this scalloped kind of like retainer here. It's like a washer, like you screwed in holder for the bearing, and you have to use the tool included, which is this guy, to take it apart if you want to maintain, clean it, lube it. If you want to replace it, you're gonna need that to just do it easily, and then you can just screw it back together, and you can just play with this guy. Just put it like that. So the really cool thing, I mean, the look of this guy is just amazing, off the charts. Like, the Lautie Chezz pieces are simply fantastic. Looking at them is just a pleasure. Like, leave them on the desk, and that's it. That's done. It's probably not something I would like EDC. I mean, I wouldn't really put this guy in my pocket. It's more like a desktop, like a desk fidget toy, which you can have like just sitting like that, spinning, enjoying, and you see, the sound changes as if you like press the top part. Let's quickly check the size overall of this guy, because like the diameter on the base is going to be 0.93 inches with an overall height of 2.15 inches, and let's say the top part is 0.66 inches. So let's just quickly check this guy up against some big boys. Look at that. That's the Black Mirror design bullet, and another Black Mirror design. That's the telephone dial right over here. I mean, these are big boys for sure. Let me show you this little fella over here. Fantastic one. That's the AC/EDC. That's the start. Then I want to show you this fantastic one. That's the Guy one from Muji. And what else can I show you? AC/DC Gamer, that's the slider, really an amazing one. Of course, we've got EDC Loom bulletproof shield going on. And what else can I show you? Of course, like let's check out the Mackie capsule slider up against that. NJT, that's a Damasteel haptic coin, really cool. And let's do this guy also. That's the Ambury coin. That's the very cool diamond pattern right there. So you have an idea of the size of this guy. You have an idea of the look, the sound also like that produces. It's interesting because like if you hold this guy vertically, almost inaudible. If you hold it on the side, it's just gonna be, or like vertically, it's gonna be a little bit different. If you spin it on the desk, it's super pleasant, and if you push it, it's even louder. So it's very good, and the feel also in the hand is, oh my god, come on guys, this sound is just fantastic. It's like a little engine going on, and it feels like this can spin for like quite some time, and it has some nice heft to it because it's this is solid metal. Let's just quickly check the weight on this guy. It's gonna be like 2.5 ounces. Really good, really well balanced. This guy looks pretty cool. It's the Bishop of from Lautie and Muji collaboration. Fantastic collaboration pieces. I really hope they're gonna come out with some other pieces, like the Knight would be fantastic, the King and the Queen. I can only imagine what these guys can come up with for the next coming pieces. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.